We're going to start by reminding consequence modeling, and then I'm going to show you basically on those combiner models on the facts, how they work in the simple mode versus expert mode. There is a couple of different things that you're going to need, but there is a lot of flexibility, a lot of nice things that you can do in one mode or the other. And what we're trying to work is, if we're doing a proper risk assessment, we're going to define our scenarios. We're going to look into the consequence. We're going to combine this with our frequency. We're going to estimate the combination, what will impact consequence modeling and what to model, right? Different situations. Am I releasing that instantaneously? Am I releasing that continuously? What am I releasing? It's going to be the requirement that you're going to pick, and then the software going to look into that for you. So I'm going to do 3 examples as we go along this webinar. So for overpressure, I'm going to do something slightly different as well. I'm going to do 0.3 psi. For this first one, let's do the simple mode. You see how many options I have in here, right? All the information that I'll need to provide. If I go simple mode, it reduces quite a bit. And what this will do to me is right there, it gives to me on Excel something that I can modify. You can get what the coordinating here is, as I mentioned, or we can do even easier. So right now, you're going to see a lot of contours because we asked for 5, 15, 35. I can see those results. One thing that we're going to cover in the next webinar is once I right click and say export, I can export this as a KML file. And in this case, what I'm going to say, it's a polygon pool. So note that we can do circular, polygon, rectangular, rim fire. So we can have just a rim fire around that pool. All of this is options that we have. So on the polygon option,